So the first 5 books tell us the story, and it's telling us that, again, Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. There's the 5 books, and it's better Sheet Shemot, Vayikra, Bamidbar, Devarim. Those words, when you string them together, they say, in the beginning, and I'm going to make this really condensed. Like, in the beginning, you will have to choose to build. In your building, you are going to find death, your way out. How are you going to do that? By hearing, you'll be given the word, and in that word, you will speak the word, and you will become the living word, speaking. That's the summation of Genesis to Deuteronomy. That's the gist of it. You're going to be learning how to speak to know the way out. So when you speak it, you are now defined through life. You now equate as death. Shemot, Exodus. That's what Exodus means, death. So you've rightfully allowed to come into the expression, to experience it through life, to know to Exodus. You take the sting out of it by realizing you are life and you are death. You are good and you are evil. You are the beginning and the end. It's all you. Only pain if you haven't navigated correctly. To take the sting out of it, then render it down innocently and remove the sting. What is the sting in Hebrew? It means the point of center, the dot. Become the center, and there is no sting for you because you fulfilled the role by knowing the Yah. Therefore, you are pitched. Yah, pitch, and roll. The law of the Shamayim means you're fully membered as whole again. You are now the heaves, and you walk between the pieces, and you knit them together as one.